Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best flat-back crystals on the market. The 2000 PC's SS 16/4 mm crystal rhinestones in jet black by TINKRSTUFF. If you're into crafting, nail art, or DIY decorating, this kit is designed to elevate your projects with a stunning sparkle and professional finish. First, let's talk about what you get in the package. You receive approximately 2,000 pieces of these SS 16 size rhinestones, each measuring 4 mm in diameter. The jet black color offers a deep, elegant shine that's perfect for adding a touch of glamour without being too flashy. But it's not just about the quantity or the color. These crystals are made from high-quality glass, making them more durable and significantly shinier than typical resin or acrylic rhinestones. The precise cutting facets on each gem create that exquisite sparkle that catches the light beautifully, adding a vibrant pop to whatever you choose to bedazzle. Now, these rhinestones are flat back and non-hot fix, which means they don't come with adhesive on the back, so you need to apply glue to attach them. Thankfully, the kit includes two 10 ml bottles of B7000 jewelry glue, a strong adhesive known for its clear drying finish and excellent hold. This glue comes with a precision needle tip, making it easy to apply the right amount without creating a mess. A handy tip is to leave the glue bottle needle upright for a few minutes before the first use to prevent overflow. After gluing, clean the needle with alcohol to keep it clear and avoid clogs. The kit also includes useful tools like tweezers and a pickup pen, which make handling these tiny crystals a breeze. Whether you're applying them on nails, clothing, shoes, mugs, phone cases, or even for detailed body art, these tools help you place each rhinestone with precision. What really stands out is the versatility of these rhinestones. Because of their vibrant shine and sturdy glass material, they're suitable for a wide range of projects. You can glam up your sneakers or high heels, decorate tumblers and mugs, or even add sparkle to hats, masks, guitars, or scrapbooks. Their jet black color is also ideal for creating contrast or blending with other colors to design striking patterns, gradients, or even festival decorations. Packaging-wise, the rhinestones are packed by weight, ensuring you get approximately 2,000 pieces in each set, giving you plenty to work with for multiple projects or large-scale designs. The brand, TINKRSTUFF, also offers various other colors and sizes if you want to mix and match for your crafts. In terms of physical details, the product comes in a compact package weighing just under 4 ounces, which makes it easy to store and carry around for your crafting sessions. The size SS 16/4 mm is a popular medium size, making these rhinestones noticeable enough to stand out but still delicate enough for intricate designs. Overall, the combination of high-quality glass material, the included B7000 glue, and precision tools make this rhinestone kit an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a professional and dazzling touch to their DIY projects. If you're serious about crafting or nail art, this is definitely a product worth considering for your next creative adventure. That's it for today's review of the best flat-back crystals, the 2000 PC's SS 16/4 mm jet black rhinestones by TINKRSTUFF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and detailed product reviews. Thanks for watching.